watching AF 24/7, and the last and the final day of 10th Global Literary Fest has just arrived, and trust me that there was huge pleasure in meeting distinguished guests from not only the country but all over the world and from different sectors and the industries of the society. So right now with me I have Vicky Anand ma'am. Ma'am, welcome to AF 24/7.
Hello, hi.
So ma'am is into writing, as well as I could say that she is the producer of natural or I would say natural beauty products. So the very first thing I want to ask is the secret of your beauty, because you're absolutely looking stunning.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So ma'am, what is the secret of it? I really want to know.
I don't know about the secret, but yes, I'm very particular about like what I'm using on my skin and hair. True. Although there was a time when I had lost all my hair.
Oh.
And I had this length of hair. It's not I'm promoting, but I'm telling you the fact, because I have the pictures as well, and people who know me from past so many years. So what happened, like during the salon period, I was running 2 salons.
Oh.
So I never used to have that kind of time to do the natural things, and there was hardly things available in the market. And I was losing my health as well. I fractured my hip joint. So 2 years I went into the bed. So that is where I did a lot of research work and reading, because I had to utilize my time, you know, and to keep my emotions and sentiments settled, you know, कि इधर उधर distract होके ना जाए. I should not go into depression. Emotionally I should not feel weak. तो वो research करना शुरू किया कि health problems भी आ रही हैं. I've lost my hair, which I had very beautiful when I was using my natural things. So I started connecting everything with the nature.
Oh.
So I got grounded, and I had a realization कि हम salons में क्या कर रहे हैं. Gradually, slowly, what happened is all the products I found that they are all chemical based, and everybody is like pushing to sell products.
True.
And during that process, people are not realizing, because even I felt sick because I was consuming everything. Fumes उड़ते थे, keratin treatment, rebonding treatment, XYZ, whatever. I don't want to name them, but companies were there who were promoting that, and every client used to ask for that. And that was destroying everybody's health, skin, and as well your hair. तो वो तीनों चीज जब हमको नजर आने लग गई कि मेरे को भी इम्पैक्ट डाल रहा है, so I should do some research work and see where we are at fault and what benefit I can give to the society, because somewhere in the back of my mind I thought कि बस ये फ्रैक्चर हो गया, 2 साल बेड में गई, I'm not going to get up. Frankly speaking, I thought that way कि मैं अब उठ नहीं पाऊंगी, तो मरने के पहले कुछ ऐसा मैं सोसाइटी में डाल जाऊं. That was the basic aim behind it, and I made a lot of research. फिर जब उठना शुरू किया, suddenly COVID आ गया. COVID period में salons were off, सब बंद हो गए, and my clients, because I am working in salon industry from 1994.
Oh.
So it was a long time, and I had my all trusted clients. So they started approaching me कि मेरे बाल झड़ रहे हैं. कुछ लोगों के client के तो इतने बाल एक बार में ऐसे हाथ में आ जा रहे थे.
Oh God.
So then I started making shampoo. They started asking me, oil बनाया, then shampoo बनाया on natural ingredients, what research I had been doing and what I had been using, and they were all benefited. फिर मैं उसमें घुस गई पूरी तरह से. Then I started working upon it, and I got my hair back in past 5 years.
Okay, we would really like to know the secret after the interview, because there are so many people who are facing the same problem.
Yes.
Like, I mean, you have also wrote 2 books, or you are like writing?
No, I'm aspiring. I'm in a process of it.
Process of it. So what are they about? Like
one is about myself, my journey, because I went through a lot of challenges in my life, and yet I had to go ahead, and I didn't have any support system. Apart from little support from my sons, that they always said keep going ahead, don't stop. That was the only support I had, that my sons are there telling me that please go ahead and do whatever you want and you wish to. But other than that, society was very different, and maybe in the culture I was in, the people I was in between, it was more of a patriarchal bent, you know. And I was single, I don't have any sister, I didn't have mother, I didn't have anyone. So it was very difficult for me to come up to this level, you know. कि आपको एज अ मदर भी प्रूव करना है अपने आप को, उनकी एजुकेशन एंड योर ओन एजुकेशन, बिकॉज व्हेन आई गॉट मैरिड माय एजुकेशन वाज इन बिटवीन. I had not completed my education. So I had to manage that as well. Because the kind of schooling I went through, there it was been put into our heads कि आप इस स्कूल में पढ़ने अगर आ रहे हो तो कुछ बनना है, नहीं तो be out. Don't occupy the seat just for being a housewife or being nothing. So that was there in the head. So I had to work upon myself as well, 2 small children all alone. So that was my journey and how I reached this level and what all I went through, positive, negative, both. Because there had been certain things which were blessing in disguise, I would say, like fracture, health issues, so that I came up with these product range, you know.
True.
तो वो एक journey पूरा अपना I'm writing, so that should inspire the other women who are going through that struggle. And then the second book we have thought of writing, I've already started, is about the natural ingredients of our Indian culture, connecting with health. Which I practiced myself first. All this beauty range also I practiced on myself, and when I see the result, then only I
preferring others to use it.
Yeah. So those things I'm just writing down, and I'm aspiring for writing a book where I'll write down everything, like what all things we should use and what we should not do, because most of our beauty and everything is connected to health. True. And we are destroying it more rather than getting something out of it, you know.
Good out of it.
अक्सर करके लाइक इतने केमिकल वाले हम लोग क्रीम्स लगा रहे हैं, शैम्पूज लगा रहे हैं, मास्क लगा रहे हैं, वट एवर, ऑल दी प्रोडक्ट्स विच आवर स्किन एब्जॉर्ब्स.
ट्रू,
इट्स एब्जॉर्बिंग. तो वो एब्जॉर्प्शन से क्या होता है, टॉक्सिन लोड हमारी बॉडी में बढ़ जाता है एंड योर लिवर्स गेट कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड. So in today's time, if you see most of the people in the young age as well, their livers are getting compromised.
And I guess बहुत छोटी सी उम्र से people have started this skin care routine, which is too much in the trend, and they are not even aware about the fact कि what they are applying on their skin or on their face.
Yes.
So that is also a huge problem.
Yes. So my second book is going to be all on this, and for myself, I would say I don't use any outside product other than the natural products what I'm making, and minimum I try keeping it. कि minimum रखो उसको, जितना required है, चाहे skin हो चाहे hair हो, don't overdo it.
True.
Yeah.
So we really appreciate all your initiative, your journey. It is really inspiring. So lastly, ma'am, I would like to ask that how your experience have been in Marva Studios, because I think it's just the fest through which we are able to connect, through which the viewers will be able to hear you. So how your experience have been so far?
So far, if you say, I think so, I'm connected here since many years, and there was a period where I was in a dip position, and I was emotionally very disturbed and sentimentally, you know, not balanced. And somehow I approached Dr. Marwa, and I said, I need your support. So I find him my inspiration. He's a wonderful person as a human being. He's a personality, and I started learning from him. That was my learning journey with him. So whatever events had been happening, usually he had been inviting, and I had been here in all the events, because every time I felt something new to learn.
Yeah.
So my learning journey has started with Dr. Marwa. I would say it accelerated. It was there, but it got accelerated.
True.
And today also I came only because it was regarding this literary thing, and it connects somewhere with learning only. So I met with wonderful people who are into book writing, publishing, and whatever. And then people who are being, you know, awarded. Few of them, they were from my Banaras, so we could connect very well with them. So it was a wonderful experience about this 10th Global Literary Festival.
So thank you very much, ma'am. In fact, we are honored to have you here. I really loved whatever you said, and I have learned a lot. And as I said it, that you're gonna share all the tips to me that we'll see later on. So yeah, that's it for today. You're watching AF 24/7 Noida.